To set up a custom ringtone or a custom notification sound on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, you will need to use your phone that is paired with your Galaxy Watch 9. And we need to open the wearable app. And here we're going to switch to the settings of the watch, and we need to find Manage Content. Now, if you go here for the first time, you will need to grant certain permissions, so of course make sure to do that. And then we're going to go to Tracks on Watch. Of course, over here we should be able to see all of these sounds and that you have added so far. Most likely it's going to be empty, but you should be able to find them later on over here. We can use this plus button in the upper right corner, and we should be able to switch to tracks to open the list of audio files that you have on your phone. So you should be able to choose whichever sound you want to move to your watch. Let's say I'm gonna choose this sound over here, and I'm gonna choose Add to Watch. You can also add multiple sounds if you want to. You might see this information that your app couldn't add tracks to watch, so we need to go to your watch. We need to go to notifications, and you will see this notification from the wearable app that we need to tap to allow permissions. So go here, choose View Permissions, and then keep tapping on Allow buttons until it goes away. And we're gonna go back to the phone and we're gonna tap on the Retry. Alright, there we go. Now after a short while, my sound was added. I can also see that I have it in here on the Tracks on Watch. The next thing that we need to do is we need to download an app on our Galaxy Watch 9 that is going to allow us to transfer the file to the proper storage, to the proper location, so we can actually set up the custom sound. So we're going to open the Play Store on our watch, and then we're going to search for an app. And you want to search for an app that is called MyWear. There we go, let's search for that. And this is the app that we're looking for, MyWear File Explorer. There we go, let's install it. Once the app is downloaded, we're gonna open it, and we need to grant permissions for the app to be able to properly use it. So we're gonna tap on permissions over here, choose music and audio, and then you want to allow it. Then go back and choose photos and videos, and you want to allow the access to these files as well. And now we can go back. Now we have access to this app. We're going to tap on these three dots on the left side, and you want to choose Watch. In here you should be able to go to Music and Galaxy Wearable, and then here we have our custom sound that we added with our phone. In order to make sure that we can actually access and use this sound as a custom notification sound or ringtone, we need to select it. You want to press and hold our finger on this file until it turns blue. Tap on these three dots on the left side again, and then you can either cut or copy the file. In my case, I'm going to copy it. Now we need to choose where we want to paste it, so I'm going to tap on this watch icon. And here in these folders, you should be able to find notifications folder, so you can choose it if you want to set the custom notification sound, and scroll down to find the ringtones folder, and this is where we need to paste it if you want to set the sound as a custom ringtone. Next thing that we need to do is we need to reboot our Galaxy Watch 9, so I'm just gonna press both of these buttons to open the power menu and then tap on the power button to shut it down. And then once it is off, you want to turn it back on. Alright, now we're gonna swipe up to go to Settings. In here, go to Sounds and Vibration. Once we are in sound and vibration settings, we want to find the ringtone option or the notification sound option, of course. And then on the list, you should be able to find your custom sound that you just added to the watch. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.